once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, this is part 2 into my undies, my panties, my underwear collection. So they are long lasting, they're of good quality. Yes. And you know, all those plus size lady or those extra large hips, you have to buy the undies that fit right up to your waistline and cover those butt cheeks. I have these from Winners. I got some from Giant Tiger, and yeah, that's where about I got all of these. All right, let's get into the video. This one, guys, I got it for, let me show you the price, $12.99 for 3 beautiful pieces. Look at them, guys. They are seamless. There are no stitches. So when you put them on and put your jeans on or your dress, it just cover everything. Look at that. And you can't go wrong with a red. Look at that, guys. And I paid $12.99 for 3 of them. All right, let's move on to these. They are New Balance, and the price is $14.99 for 3. Comes in like a pink, like a soft pink. I think that is a cream, like a yellowish cream. That's a cream, and that's like a bluish gray right there. And they are really nice, also seamless, beautiful. I love them. And the waist, stretchy. We're moving down to our Kalvin Klein. I got one of them, and in store they would usually sell one for $24, but I got mine for $4.99. So yes, sister, I got a Kalvin Klein. Beautiful and nice. I think it's stretchy as well. Very nice. Cover everything. All right. And we're gonna move right on over here. And these 2-piece, I got them as a set as well. I think I pay $9.99 for both. And as you can see, they cover the bottom. Little bit of details right here. Beautiful and nice. Fit up to your waistline. On these 2, I got them at the dollar store. I thought I might try them because they look comfy. So I got one for $3, so I paid $6 for the pair. So my peeps, the next one, this one is a little bit pricey, but it's $11.95. It's La Vie en Rose. And guys, this one, it fits, it hugs your body. And like if you're wearing that sexy dress, this part is very stretchy, so it will cover all those bulge area, cover your bum as well. Very stretchy, very nice. I love it. Sometimes I will treat myself because I really want this when I'm wearing my dress, you know, to cover my tummy area, my little pooch. All right, guys, let's move on into these. I got them at Winners as well. They were on sale, and I got them for $7. Regular price is $9.99, and I got 2. I got 2. I love the undies that fits to my, you know, my bottom, because you know I'm not that small of a person. And now, guys, we are moving on to these one here. I got them at Giant Tiger, and they are called Charisma. And they have a little writing on it. This one says, "Let me sleep." Let me sleep in peace, people. And this one is a stripe one of like a purple and black. And this one now is one of my favorite. What it says, the snuggle is real. So here you have let me sleep, and this one says the snuggle is real. I love it, kind of really cute. And guys, and they are stretchable, fit the whole bottom area, everything into place. And now guys, we're moving on to the last sets of 3, same charisma, and we have the Polka Dot Pink. It's like a pink or peach and black, and this one says weekend vibes. And guys, you know I'm on my way to Jamaica. This one is good, this gray and black. And this like a peach pink, it says wake me up for the weekend. Yes, so you know I'm taking these 2 to Jamaica. This one says let me sleep, the snuggle is real, and this one says weekend vibes, wake me up for the weekend. Yes, so when I go to Jamaica, I'm gonna sleep, I'm gonna snuggle, and then after, please wake me up for the weekend, because it's weekend vibes. And we're moving on to the next set. These are Puma, and they come in the color brown with a little black Puma writing there. And this one is black with like a gray Puma writing. And these are, I got these from Winners, and these are, the price is $9.99 for 2, and they are large, and the sign is in the back as well. They fit comfortable and nice because they are stretchable, very stretchy. And guys, these are coming in my suitcase with me. They will fit my bum perfectly. Very, very nice. I love them. Yes. So I have some nice brand name here. I have my Puma, my New Balance, and this one is called Skinny Girl. Yes. Look how beautiful they are, guys. Yes. And guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, guys, and be blessed. And guys, put God first in everything you do. Look at that, guys. They are so beautiful and nice. Very comfortable, very affordable. Mwah. Put God first. Bye, guys.